So we're gonna do some girl math at the yarn store. I bought 4 of these. I opened one and I started using it. I don't like how it looks. It's not the color I thought it was gonna be, so I'm returning it. I'm returning 3 of them. Pro tip, make sure you staple or tape any of your receipts to the yarn that you bought it with, or keep it in the same bag, so if you do any returns it's really easy and they're just together. So I'm returning 3 of these. I'm returning 2 of these. And I also want to return this. For some reason it's not on this receipt, and I bought these together on the same day. Well, I hope that's not going to be an issue. In girl math, I'm going to be saving. I'm going to buy more yarn, but I'm saving because I'm returning these. You got it? Okay, let's go. Okay, so I want to make a pink and white dress, and there's definitely not enough of this. So when I'm ready to make it, I'll order it, and I guess I'll just buy the yarn for my sweater instead. So I wanted to make a pink oversized sweater too, and this is the yarn I want to use, but I'm not really liking what the pink looks like, but the purple is cute. See it against my skin tone. Is that a nice color? I'm not really sure how many I need. I think I'll need at least 6 because I do want it to be baggy and pretty long. This purple is so cute too. This green, I love it so much. I love it so much. Yeah, originally this is what I thought I wanted, but I don't know. I'm not liking it anymore. I'm only getting these. I'm not getting anything else, and I'm gonna go do my return and cash these out. Okay, mission completed, and I feel like only buying the yarn I need is making me want to finish my project faster, so I can come back here and get the yarn for the next project. So maybe this is a good thing. I can see the lint on my shirt, but let's head home. No, let's just do the girl math now. Okay, so I bought 6 of these and the total came up to $64.34, right? But now we do the girl math. First, I got to return the Lion brand, the 3 balls, and that was $26.07. And then to return 2 Karen Simply Soft and Gray, and that was $12.63. So in girl math, that makes it. So basically, I just wanted to come and show you the sweater. And one, it is getting so cold. It is getting so cold. So it's actually dire that I finished this sweater. Like, it's been 2 days. I'm going to show you how much I finished. So let me show you my outfit first. Let me show you my outfit. So this, do you guys remember this? I love it so much. I do have a tutorial for this. I just wanted to show you because a lot of the times people ask like, oh, like I don't know what to wear my crochet with. You can wear it with anything in your regular closet already. So super cute. I just want to show you. Now let me show you how much of the sweater I got done. So I got the first panel done, and it's really long. Look, it's really long, and that's exactly how I wanted it to be. And second, we got a sleeve done. So we got a sleeve done. This is the part I'm not really liking. Like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's baggy enough, but I feel like when I block it, it's gonna be fine. But I'm not really feeling the, maybe I am. I'm not really feeling the sleeve. So I got a front panel done, a sleeve done, and like a quarter of the other panel done. But yeah, I basically just want to show what I was working with. If you enjoyed my girl math, I'll try to do another one if I go to the yarn store again, but let me know if you have any questions below. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.